Hi everybody, welcome back to the living room. So I kind of broke the rules slightly. The advice from John and SDRplay is that once you've connected the nRSP-ST via Ethernet cable to your Wi-Fi router, and obviously got it powered up, to install the software, so the installer file on a laptop, that laptop should also be connected ideally to your Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable. Now, I was going to do that. I've got the cable, but I've got several laptops and they're mostly fairly new. I've got an old Lenovo, which is really slow. And I'll be honest with you, this is a technical term, I couldn't be asked to get it in here and get it all wired up. So I thought I'd take a chance and use my much newer Microsoft Surface and download the installation file and install the software on the same network but via Wi-Fi. So sorry about that, John. And it worked fine actually. So I downloaded the installer file on Wi-Fi from my computer in the shack and set up the administrator elements of it, and basically, yeah, SDRconnect is now working perfectly on my computer in the shack, whilst the nRSP-ST is here in the living room. So it took about 20 minutes, to be honest with you, if that. In fact, it didn't take 20 minutes. It probably took about 5 minutes. And then I've never used SDRconnect before. I've used SDR Uno. I've never used Connect, and it just took me about 5 minutes to get the receiver working, including setting up an administrator, a user in the administrator part of the software, and actually get Spectrum. Literally took about 5 minutes. So it's really, really easy. So from that aspect, SDRplay have really got this really, really well set up. Because I'd never used SDRconnect before, it then took me about 15 minutes to work out the easiest way to direct input frequency and set the spectrum up, etc. So yeah, I've been about 20 minutes, but it actually only took me literally about 5 minutes to get this thing working. So that's great. So there it is on the floor in the living room. I haven't had time to set up an HF antenna, so I've literally just plugged a telescopic into the back of it. And there you go, SDRconnect. This should be...
The Russian economy will start to suffer, by most estimates, quite severely next year. If the Ukrainians could somehow...
Radio 4 on 93.9.
12 months, the Russian economy may be in serious trouble, and it will affect, in some respects, the way...
operating on a Surface. So there you go. I'm not going to go through how you operate the software. It's been around a long time. I'll comment on it, I think, when I've used it, and let's see what this device can do. But what would be good is, what I'm going to try next is to connect to it using the web browser. So basically get the IP address and connect to it via a web browser, maybe just log into it at work and see if I can do that. But so far, so good. Yeah, as I said, just literally plug the device into the back of my broadband Wi-Fi router with an Ethernet cable, broke the rules and downloaded the software onto my Surface via Wi-Fi, and then set it all up, and yeah, I had it up and running in literally 5 minutes, and then it was another 10 or 15 minutes to kind of like just play with the software for the first time ever to get a quick signal on the FM broadcast band, and it's all good. In fact, the audio is actually on this Microsoft Surface is pretty good.
And all of that is manifesting itself in weaker ruble by the minute.
How much does the weakening of the currency...
So there you go. Anyway, hope that was interesting and useful. More videos to come. So far, it's been a very, very good experience. Thanks for watching, and 73.